Hi, welcome back to Fighting 50. Today I'm excited to show and share with you one of my most favorite beauty products. This happens to be a luxury product and it's a little bit pricey, but it is definitely worth the splurge if it's something that you would enjoy. To me, it's in my top 10 must-have. So let me show you what it is. So this is the Tria. It is a laser hair removal. And this is a older model. I think I got it maybe, I want to say at least 6 years ago. And so the newer ones are obviously going to be a little bit shaped differently. I got it that long ago. It still works amazing. So even though I got it so long ago, I didn't really start using it on my legs until recently. I only used it on my underarms and it is incredible. I used it. I don't have underarm hair. I never have to shave my underarms ever again, which is like insane, right? You know, when you shave your underarms, some women after a day or two, the hair starts to regrow and it kind of looks like dark stubbly. Some women have, it looks like almost greenish. It's just a very ugly regrowth. And the amazing thing is you don't have any of that. You just look like baby fine, like your skin just looks like baby fine. I'll show you, but it's just like incredible. It's just unbelievable that you could use this product and never shave again. So even though it is a little bit pricey, you never have to purchase razors again, which are really expensive. So I am Italian, so I'm naturally very hairy. This was something that to me was just remarkable. I haven't shaved in an entire year, and like you could see how my armpit looks completely baby skin. Like there's no stubble whatsoever, and it looks really like smooth.
Shaved my armpit in over a year, and it feels like just like baby skin.
So when you use the laser, you're not supposed to get any sun afterwards for a few days. I have to read over it. I don't remember how many days you're supposed to not like tan afterwards. So to me, I think this would be the ultimately perfect time to start using this product because it's right before summer. Obviously you're not going to tan right now in January, even though in California we can, it's 80 degrees today. But most people are not going to be tanning in January and February. So if you use this during January, February, March, by the summertime, you will be hair-free and you won't ever have to shave again. You just never shave. It's crazy. So I haven't shaved my legs in 2 months and I wanted to let it grow out so that I could show you. I began using the product like I used the product one time and you could see right here there's no hair because I used it right there to test it out on my legs. And I just wanted to show you what my legs look like before. I'm starting to get varicose veins, which I never had in my entire life. And now I'm beginning to get varicose veins right here. So I'm going to do a video on that soon. There's a treatment I'm going to try out and see if it works. So to use the product, you have to completely shave your legs as close as you can, and you do not apply any type of oil, lotion, anything to your legs. You just wash them, shave them, make sure that they're completely dry, and make sure they're dry, because if not, the laser is going to burn your skin. If there's water there and if there's product there, it won't work. So you have to just make sure that your legs are washed, shaven, and dry. Now I'm going to go do that and then I will come right back and show you how to use the laser. Shaved and dried my legs, and now I'm going to show you how to do this. I feel like it's going to be a little bit hard for me to film, but I'm going to try my best. So here's the button where it says that you turn it on, and then there's different levels the battery's almost dead, but anyway, I'll be able to show you. So you could see that it is, let me see if you could see it. There's like a little lock. See there's a little lock symbol. And the only way to undo that is by pressing the bottom where the little laser is against your skin. See, and that will unlock it, because that is telling it that your skin type is okay to use. Certain skin types are not, and so I guess it won't open up or let you use it if your skin type is not safe for the laser, which is great. So then you're never ever going to point the laser near your face or your eyes or look at the laser. You are always going to point it the opposite direction from your face. You're going to feel like maybe a little, it's not even a sting, like a little sensation. For me, I don't know. You may feel something totally different. Occasionally, it feels a little bit more stingy. So that's basically how you do it, and you never have to shave again. So it's that simple, that easy to do. After you're done doing the laser treatment, then you're going to put on a cream, a very good cream. Lotion your legs. I like to use a 100% natural lotion, especially because I just shaved and lasered. So this is one that I recommend. This is Ida. This is the body lotion. Top ingredients, water, and then aloe vera, which is amazing. Like, aloe vera is so good for your skin, so I just absolutely love this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of my top 10 favorite products. I'm going to do the other ones in videos to come. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, hit the notifications, and comment down below. If you've ever tried this or gone to have laser treatment or anything to that effect, please let me know. I would love to interact with you in my comment section. And I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.